Do not forget, the investigation is presently on when it comes to Tahavvur Rana, who's been in custody now of Indian authorities after the extradition. 2611 attack co-conspirator secrets will tumble out very soon, and how? NIA gets an approval for Tahavvur Rana's voice samples to be taken. Handwriting samples to be taken for the NIA investigators. Samples, of course, will then be matched with all the evidence that NIA has prepared over the years with regard to 2611. Remember, it's not just about, it never is just about the incident that took place. It's about what led to the incident and how. The active terrorists only pull the trigger. Who are the mastermind in other countries sitting there and organizing it all? The man you're looking at on your screen was one of them. Pakistan Army terrorist voices have been on intercept for years. Our legal correspondent Srishti Ojha joins me for the latest on that. Srishti, this approval possibly has come. Tell us more about that. And how do the investigators intend to use voice samples, handwriting samples to then corroborate further what they have?
Well, Pooja, as we know, the National Investigating Agency, as of now, is conducting an extremely intensive investigation into the conspiracy behind the entire 2611 Mumbai terror attacks, and also specifically the role of Tahavvur Hussain Rana in those terror attacks. Now, we're talking about proceedings, or these are in-camera proceedings and closed-door proceedings. No documentation regarding the cases are shared with people outside. So we have received this information from our sources that Delhi's Patiala House Court yesterday allowed an application that was filed by the NIA to collect the voice and handwriting samples. According to NIA, this is something that the investigation. Remember, a few days back when he was produced before the court after his 18 days PC had ended, he was sent to further 12 days NIA custody. NIA will have him in their custody for 12 days. So these 12 days are going to be extremely crucial for the NIA to conduct their investigation while they have Tahavvur Rana in their custody at the NIA. So this particular development where they have been allowed to collect the voice and handwriting samples of Tahavvur Rana will play an extremely crucial role in their investigation. Back to you.
All right, keep tracking all the latest on that. Srishti Ojha will tell us. Remember, do not forget that there's simultaneously a very important investigation, prosecution likely that will happen with regard to Tahavvur Rana, especially, and again being led by the NIA. 2611 or 2019 or 2025, Pakistan's focus is not to improve their own country, but how to destroy India.